XHLD, stock analysis and predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or is it not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at 10 holdings and it is actually in a bullish range still, because last time I made a video I was obviously very open to buying more, and the price came a little bit lower and then took the highs out. All I will say on that is that it just made like an even a better opportunity for me to potentially still be even more bullish on XHLD, right? So how will this look like? I'm saying this, like, unless I see this pushback and the shift, the me buying is again not going to be an option. People just overcomplicate this, but like the miserable part, you just constantly keeping an eye and just sticking to the discretion and the rules that have been tested. But that's the game. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.